Good evening, everyone. It is March 14th, 2017. We are doing a personal box break for Claro in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2015-16 Premier Hockey. There's the man, McJesus, McDavid. I know, they do have the auto tins, guys, and it's supposed to be right at the top corner. So, these could be autographed. This one wasn't, but I knew they did a couple of them. But, it's alright. Maybe we'll pull McDavid in this right here. Get a blank. Put that right there. That way I can, Alright, Claro. Good luck, man. Mackenzie Skapski, rookie premier jersey. For the Rangers, 277 of 399, rookie premier. Oh, about the yeah. That's 2 Ranger hits, right? Damn, that is 2 Ranger hits. Drew Doughty, look at that mustache. Yeah. Drew Doughty for the Los Angeles Kings, 201 of 399. Jason King mojo right there with that Doughty hit. Alright, guys, let's go with the rest of this box. Nice, Premier Rookies. Auto patch. Nice 2-color patch. On-card auto, Jake Virtanen for the Vancouver Canucks. 230 of 375. Next one. The trend continues. Look at that. Another Vancouver hit. Premier Collection Super Rookies. Nice patch. 13 of 15. Ben Hutton. Nice hit. 13 of 15. Next one, guys. Premier Materials, John Tavares. 7 of 25. And the last card of the box for Claro. Jake Allen, who did beat the Kings last night. 80 of 199 materials. That was a nice box, Lara. No McDavid, but some really nice hits in this 10 right here with this out of 15 and this Jake Virtanen. So there you go, Clara. That was your personal box of Premier Hockey. If you'd like to purchase a personal box from us here at Jaspy's HockeyLand, email me at jaspyshockeyland@gmail.com. That way I can send you a list and we can get a box break going for you. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.